Wonder what it is.
That's moving away.
It's been going up and down the river. That's the Clackamas River.
There's red stripes.
Yeah, what is it? Is it like a Huey?
Oh, it'd be Coast Guard.
Coast Guard?
Yeah.
Oh no, boat capsized. Oh dear God.
Well, we don't know that, but
Yeah, that's the Coast Guard helicopter. Why?
the Coast Guard talking.
Wow. Why? Okay, here it turned again. Can we put the scanner onto the Coast Guard?
No.
Searching for something. Call the non-emergency sheriffs. Ask them.
You can do that, honey. I'm in the middle of something.
Do you have your phone? Can I use your phone?
I don't.
Well, it's pretty high up, but that's right above the river, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Kayaker? Well, why would they use such a big helicopter?
I don't know.
Wished I had a telephoto lens on this.
You might actually be able to put this up to the binoculars.